Hello guys, so let's have a first look at our C++ program. Let us start with a simple example of a C++ program to print a string. This program is one of the simplest programs that can be written in C++, but it does include the basic elements that every C++ program has. Let us have a look at these elements one by one. So this is my first line of my code. This is a comment. All the lines that begin with double slashes are comments. Compiler does not execute comments. Comments are included for the programmers for short explanations or observations. Let's go to another line. Hash include IOStream. The statements that begin with a hash or a pound sign are directives for the preprocessor. That means these statements are processed before the compilation takes place. The hash include IOStream statement tells the compiler's preprocessor to include all the header files IOStream in the program itself. Now let's go to int main line. This line indicates the beginning of the main function. The main function is the point by where all the C++ programs begin their execution. In fact, the content of main function is always the first to be executed whenever a program starts. And for the same reason, it is essential that all the C++ programs have a main function. Every main function in C++ has its code included in a pair of curly braces. So that the code below the line int main inside the curly braces is the code of the int main function. Now, inside the int main function within the curly braces, we have a first line, cout, welcome to C++ programming in double quotes that ends with a semicolon character. This line does the most important thing in this program. The cout is the standard output stream in C++, and the above statement inserts a sequence of characters in double quotes, welcome to C++ programming, into this output stream. Since the cout is declared in header file IOStream, so in order to use the cout in the program, we have included this very header file within the header file hash include IOStream itself. Notice that the statement ends with a semicolon character. The semicolon character is used to finish every executable statement of a C++ program, and it must be included after every executable instruction. Always note that hash instructions are not executable instructions. Now let's go to return 0 line. Return 0, the return instruction makes the int main function to finish and it returns a value. In this case, it is returning 0. Returning 0 is the most usual way of telling that program has terminated normally. That is, it has not found any errors during its execution. So after discussion of the most basic elements of C++ programming, in the next session, we will take our discussion further in the upcoming details. For till then, like and subscribe my channel and do share my videos as much as possible. Watch the videos thrice so that the concepts of yours build up strongly. And in case you have any doubt, do send me in the comment section and follow my Facebook page too. I will surely provide the guidance as it is possible. Thanks for watching.